Hi guys, in front of me is POCO M5 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and here, let me just refresh it. And here under wallpapers you'll be able to check all the wallpapers that you can apply. You can pick the categories and then select the picture that you want to apply as your home screen. So here you've got all the options. Just wait till they're all loaded. So here you can scroll all the way down, but I will stop here and just pick one from the following options. For example, let me choose this one. Now just tap to preview, and if you want to apply it, just tap on apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, it is covering your home and also lock screen. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.